Snoring and clenching and grinding of teeth can be a sign of a serious health condition called sleep apnea. This can cause drastic drops in oxygen and cause extreme stress on the heart, as well as causing moodiness, fatigue, and lack of concentration. This can have tremendous impacts on family and also be a health hazard for society. We are able to collaborate with sleep experts to establish your diagnosis and evaluate the best appliance treatment option for you from the over 100 dental appliances available on the market.